You're talking to a friend, you practice, and you need a couple of sentences to to help you keep the communication going. So, for example, we can start with the word or the verb bahki. Bahki means speak. I speak. In Syrian and Lebanese, the pronunciation is slightly different. It's the exact same verb, but the movements are slightly different. بحكي in Lebanese, بحكي in Syrian, بحكي in Palestinian. So you can simply say ما بحكي عربي. So when we are adding ma before the verb, we are making it like we don't or we cannot, like a negative. So ما بحكي عربي, I don't speak Arabic. ما بحكي عربي. You can also say بحكي إنجليزي, I speak English. So ما بحكي عربي, بحكي عربي, بحكي إنجليزي. Now, if you want to ask the person if they speak English, you use the same verb but you add the ta to the beginning. So you say تحكي, I added ta, تحكي إنجليزي. So you're asking them, do you speak English? Okay, it's not gonna change whether you're talking to a man or a woman. It's gonna be the same, but that's not the case for all verbs. So بتحكي إنجليزي. Now, if you wanna try and speak, or they said something you did not understand, you can simply say ما. Again, I'm using the ma to make something negative, like it did not, or do not, or does not, you know? So ما فهمت. فهم is to understand, a verb to understand. ما فهمت, I did not understand. And so far, everything I said doesn't matter for a man or a woman, it's all the same. So, ما فهمت, I did not understand. Another easy one is you can say مش فاهم if you were a male, مش فاهم. If you were a female, مش فاهمة, فاهمة. So we're adding the in the end. If you don't understand what they just said. Fahem, if you notice, fahem and fihem, they're both related and they both like fihem is the verb, fahem like understanding. So they're related to each other. They have the same root. If you want to, if someone's speaking to you in English, in Arabic, and you want to practice your Arabic, because I hear this a lot, like we want to practice. So you don't want to switch to English. You want them to keep speaking in Arabic, but you did not understand. You can say معلش تعيد for a male, معلش تعيدي for a female. And that basically means, can you please repeat, or can you repeat? So they can repeat for you what they just said. So معلش تعيد, معلش تعيدي. Now معلش does not exactly mean please, but it makes your sentence appropriate, like you're not telling them you need to repeat. You're just saying like, please, can you, like a nice way. So معلش. There is a ain in the middle if you hear that or you notice. معلش تعيدي for the word معلش and for the word تعيد. They both have the ain. So تعيد. Now if you want to say please, لو سمحت for a male, لو سمحتي for a female. You're asking her to repeat. مش فاهم, مش فاهمة, I don't understand. معلش تعيد. بحكي بالعربي or بحكي عربي. بحكي إنجليزي. I speak Arabic. I speak English. Yeah, so I hope this helps you or you find it useful. If you like it, please press the like button. Check out my workbooks for all levels. They are in my Etsy shop, Aralola. All the links should be in the description. Thank you.